how to find people you might know, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find people you might know, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find this one, settings, and then click notifications, and here just click people you might know, and here you can manage anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.